guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are here at CES and we have a device which has been announced from Alcatel One Touch. So this is the device which is called One Touch Scribe HT. As you can see, these are the specifications for the device. This is how the device looks like. This is a competitor to Samsung Galaxy Note 2 basically. This device has a pretty big display size, which is around 5-inch high definition IPS display. As you can see, the clarity of the text over the screen is quite good. As you can see, there is no pixelation even if I move the phone very close to the camera, and it does have some customization which you can see. The icons are actually customized to make them look different. It has got a very different UI, but again it seems to be the default Android stock UI which is there and in the background which is working. This one is running Android Jelly Bean. Let me just show you the version number of it. So if we go into the settings over here and if we go into About Phone, under About Phone you will see that the Android version is 4.1.2, that is Jelly Bean. And if we talk about the camera on this device, which is capable of recording video at 1080p, and it is an 8 megapixel camera. Here we see the LED flash with the camera as well, and you have a little hole for the mic which is for noise cancellation. If we take a look on the top side of the device, we have the power and sleep key on the right. Here we have the 3.5mm audio jack, and if we take a look at the bottom, we have a hole for the mic here as well. This is the primary mic, and the one which is over here is for the noise cancellation. So the overall design and the build quality is quite good on this device. As you can see, this is how the device looks like. Here we have the section for the loudspeaker. This is how the loudspeaker is there on the device. Micro USB port. Here we have the micro USB port which can be used for data syncing and charging. It is the SIM card slot, as you can see. So if we open this thing, we can actually insert a SIM card inside. As you can see, we have opened it as a slot for the SIM card, and this one will accept a micro SIM card inside the device, not a normal big size SIM card basically. And if we take a look on the front, on the top, we have a earpiece over here, and we have a front camera. The front camera on the device is 1.3 megapixel, which is capable of recording video at 720p, so it can be used for video chatting pretty easily. If we talk about the memory and the storage, show you the available amount of RAM which is right now available on the device. You will see, okay, so right now 425 MB of RAM is actually used, and 541 MB of RAM is actually usable. So this one has got 1 GB of RAM. And if we talk about the storage on the device, let me just show you the storage of the device. It has got 4 GB of internal storage, out of which 2.45 GB is actually available. And if we talk about the internal storage, right now the available storage is 694 MB, which is quite low for a device like this. And if we take a look over the notification bar over here, we do have a slightly customized notification bar. As you can see, we do have toggle for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and then we have toggle for profiles. And if we go further in, we have the toggle for the brightness, timeout, and auto rotation as well. This is how the notifications will look like. You have the buttons at the bottom. The buttons which are there are within the screen. As you can see, these are the back. This is the back key, the home key, and the multitasking key. Just like you see on any other Android device. This is how the device looks like. And if we actually talk about the colors in which this device comes, these are the colors in which this device actually comes, and it does come with a flip cover as well if you want to buy it separately. And then you have a stylus over here, which is a kind of a pen at one side, and it is the stylus on the other side. So this is how that's all from us right now regarding the quick review of One Touch Scribe HT from Alcatel. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.